Good afternoon, dear students. I was speaking to you about different time zones from the lesson The Earth, Our Living Planet. Today, I am going to explain you about the International Dateline. 180-degree meridian, that is diametrically opposite to the 0 degree, is accepted as international dateline. But this line makes short detours in order to avoid land masses so that there should not be two dates in the same country or landmass. When circumnavigating the world by a plane or ship, a new problem of time and date arose. When people moved around and went around the world, they faced a time and date problem. The line fixed to solve this problem is known as International Date Line. In short, we call it IDL. This IDL is opposite to GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich is a place in London. It determines the standard time in the world. Can you tell me which line determines the standard time in India? 82.5-degree east longitude, which passes through Allahabad of Uttar Pradesh, determines the standard time in India. The passengers crossing this line by ship or aeroplane have to change date and day. While marking longitudes, it was important to mark 180-degree first because it was going to be the IDL, that is International Date Line. But this line was supposed to mark in uninhabited places, that means where people cannot live. So it was decided to mark it in a Pacific Ocean, the deepest oceans. Opposite to this 0 degree longitude was marked. Thus before 0 degree longitude, 180-degree longitude was marked. Since there is no uninhabited area, ideal was marked in zigzagged way. You can see that here the line is which is in zigzag, not a straight line. Any ship crossing this line from west, that is Asia, to North America to east earns a day. If it is Monday in Asia, it is Sunday in America. Any ship crossing this line from east to west, that is North America to Asia, loses a day. If it is Sunday in America, it is Monday in Asia. When it is 12 p.m. on ideal, there will be same day in all over the world. There is no difference in a day. Example, think it is Monday when it is 12 p.m. on ideal. At this time, everywhere in the world it is Monday. But it is just for a moment when the time changes to 12 o'clock 1 second p.m. Then one day increases for the region between ideal to the longitude where the local time is 12 am. That means in this region at 12 o'clock 1 second pm it is Tuesday. On international date line, as midnight 12 passes, the day changes where the local time is 12 midnight. From there to ideal, one day increases towards east. If the places in the red part, you can see a red part in the image of the picture, have Tuesday, the places in the rest of the part still have Monday. When it is 12 am on ideal, the earth will have two equal days. That is two equal parts, you can see in the image. If it is Monday in one half, it will be Tuesday in another half. When it is 12 a.m. on ideal, the earth will have 2 equal days, as I told you. The differences in day, you can observe it in the image. If you travel crossing ideal from eastern hemisphere to western hemisphere, you get Monday again. So it is a benefit of a day. If you travel crossing ideal from western hemisphere to eastern hemisphere, before you completely experience Monday, you will have Tuesday. Differences in day. If you travel crossing ideal from eastern hemisphere to western hemisphere, you get Monday again. So it is benefit of a day. I explained you already. After crossing ideal from west to east, we get a day. That means Friday becomes Thursday. If you cross ideal from east to west, you lose a day. That means Thursday becomes Friday. Lose a day. Thank you, dear students.